Hi, hello everyone. In today's class, I am going to explain about some of the pulses. Okay, in previous classes, I have discussed about some of the field crops and some pulse crops also. Today, I am going to discuss about the remaining pulse crops. Okay, the first one I am going to discuss about pea. Okay, the scientific name of pea is, there are two types. Okay, one is field pea and the other one is garden pea. Okay, field pea or grain pea. Field pea is also known as grain pea. Okay, the scientific name of field pea or grain pea is Pisum sativum, variety Arvens. Okay, this is the scientific name of field pea or grain pea. Okay, and the other one is garden pea, and garden pea is also known as table pea. Okay, the scientific name of garden pea is Pisum sativum, variety Hortense. Okay, the field pea is used for dal purpose. Okay, the garden pea is used as a vegetable like green pods. Okay, as a vegetable. Okay, recommend spacing for pea crop is 30 by 5 to 7 centimeters. Yeah, this one is row to row, and this one is plant to plant. Okay, this is the spacing for pea. Okay, leafless variety, this one is very important bit. Leafless variety of field pea is Arpana. Okay, this is the important point. Please note down all the content I am discussing. Okay, the fertilizer recommendation is 20, 50 and 30 kg. As all you know, in the crops belonging to Leguminosae, we are going to use the lesser dose of nitrogen because they will fix the atmospheric nitrogen with the bacteria Rhizobium, right? So we recommend less dose of nitrogen. Okay, best temperature to grow pea is 13 to 18 degrees Celsius. This is the best temperature to grow pea crop. Okay, yeah. Seed treatment done in pea by Captain or Therum plus Rhizobium leguminosarum. Rhizobium leguminosarum at the rate of 10 gram per kg of seed. Okay, this is the important content regarding pea. Please note down each and every point I am discussing about all the crops because I am discussing the very important content of the crops. This will be very useful for your future purpose. Okay, and the next crop I am going to discuss about mung bean. Or as all you know, mung bean is also known as green gram, right? Green gram. Okay, the scientific name is Vigna radiata. Vigna radiata is the scientific name of mung bean. Okay. Mung bean belongs to the family Fabaceae. As all you know, Fabaceae is also previously called Leguminaceae. Okay. Origin. Widely cultivated in Asia. Okay. Chromosomal number. Chromosomal number is 2n is equals to 22. Okay. Yeah. Sandy loam soils are the best soil suitable for mung bean cultivation. Okay. With good internal drainage. Yeah. The best soil to grow mung bean is sandy loam soil with good drainage. Okay. Mung bean is a self-pollinated crop. Right. Seed rate is 12 to 15 kg per hectare. Okay. The seed rate of mung bean is 12 to 15 kg per hectare. Spacing is 30 by 5 centimeters. Okay. Yeah. Fertilizer, we recommend NPK for the mung bean is 25, 50 and 25 kg. Okay. This is the fertilizer recommendation for mung bean. Mung bean is also used as cover crop because it will reduce evaporation loss. Okay. So, we will use mung bean as cover crop. Okay. And mung bean is also used as fallow crop. That is the following crop. Okay. Fallow crop means one after the another. Right. If we plant rice means after the harvestation of rice, we will grow mung bean. Okay. This is known as fallow crop. Okay. Mung bean is also cultivated as fallow crop. Okay. Also grow as a cover crop and fallow crop of the rice. Okay. It is the hardiest pulse crop. Okay. Hardiest pulse crop among all the pulses. Which one is the hardiest pulse crop means mung bean is the hardiest pulse crop. Okay. Yeah. The moisture content during storage is 12%. Okay. We should maintain 12% of moisture during storage of mung bean. Okay. Yeah, this is the important content of mung bean. Please note down all the points. Okay. Wood bean or black gram. Wood bean is also known as black gram. Okay. The scientific name is Vigna mungo. This is the scientific name of wood bean. Okay. Yeah, wood bean belongs to the family Fabaceae. Okay. Origin. Wood bean originated in South Asia. Okay. Chromosomal number is 2n is equals to 22 is the chromosomal number of wood bean. Okay. Spacing 40 by 10 centimeters. Okay. Yield of mung bean is nearly 10 to 12 quintal per hectare. Okay. Yeah. Mung bean contains the protein amount is 22 to 25%. It is approximately 22 to 25% of protein. Okay. Yeah, mutant varieties. Kovan and Sarla. Okay. These two are the mutant varieties. Okay. Fertilizer. We recommend fertilizer for wood bean is 20, 40 and 40 kg NPK per hectare for black gram. Okay. This is the fertilizer recommendation for black gram. Okay. This is the important content regarding black gram. Please note down all the points. Okay.